Thanks, mate. Protein pizza? Amazing. Thank you so much. Got it, babe.
Sweet dreams, pumpkin. About to go your mom. Dream about cigarettes. Mama.
Chocolate.
Dinner was so good.
Oh yeah, I actually tell him to put my special seasoning in it, bro.
Dinner was so good.
Yeah, but what the heck is a beer for? It's $500. Are you gonna be such a milky for that?
Oh my god. Breakfast and bed for delicious. You really are my Wonderwall.